I'm Chris Bennett, Chief Learning Officer here at Blockchain Training Alliance. And if you're looking at this course, you must be curious to learn more about managing blockchain projects. What does managing a blockchain project look like? Where are the areas that it's similar to traditional development, and where are the areas where things are different? If you are looking to take the next step in your blockchain journey and not just learn what this technology is and how it works, but how to successfully build solutions and deliver them to happy customers, clients, partners, vendors, and more, this is the course for you. I put together this course based on my blockchain knowledge and expertise and an over 20-year background in IT services consulting. Best of all, the knowledge you gain in this course could be a great springboard into the emerging world of blockchain. If you've been thinking about a new job or career, or simply just adding another skill set under your belt, I think you're going to enjoy this course. If any of this sounds interesting to you, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and sign up, and I hope to see you in class sometime soon.